Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Face and I am Anjali with the new video for our new creators that help you to create a video with some sound effects. So what are the sound effects you can use and how you can use and how you can add in your YouTube videos without any copyrights, I will mention in this video. So this is the video I am talking about is something like you can use the audio library that is present in the YouTube itself, and all are free. You don't have to pay anything and you don't have to think of the copyrights as well, so you can use it anywhere, everywhere. Okay, so let's get started. So as I said, if you have uploaded any video and you want some background sound effects with the number of sound or audio library that are present without any copyrights, without thinking of anything, you can do it so, and you can add it so in our YouTube editor. So how you can do that? And one more thing, you can even download that audio library to your local system, your computer, your laptop, and you can use those audio libraries to anywhere else. Fine. And you can use in the YouTube, you can use it in the other audio or video of your own. Fine. And let's see that how we can do that. So let's say this is the video on which I want to use a audio, or I want to use a sound effects in this. So how I can do that? So go to this video and you just need to go to the editor. Here is the editor option, and in the editor option there are number of things you can edit, like audio, blur effect, and the end screen blur parts. You can do everything in that, but today we want to do add a audio effect in it. So this is the audio option. You can just need to click on add a track, and after adding a track it will show you the options of the number of libraries that are present in the YouTube itself. You can even see go to the audio library here. Here you can see there are different number of audios available here. You can even see the sound effects here. If I'll show you one, let's say this is a male zombie roar. So if I'll click on it, so these are the sound effects. So these sound effects you can use, you can even download them. Okay, you can download them and you can use it anywhere else. That depends on you, and you do not have to pay for it. You do not have to take care of the copyrights. So here are the free music as well. So you can see when they were added. You can see here December 2020. So number of audio are added every month. You can go through them, and if you feel any one of the audio is good for your video, you can add them. You can even click by using here like this. So these are the audio, and you can download them. You can even download all of them, and you can use it everywhere else. You can even search through them. You can even search through them. You can even use the filters as well. So that depends totally on you, what are the audio you want to use, or either you want to download, either you want to use any of the audios. So these are the audios that are available here, and just go through them. Let's say I want to use like the sound which we have. So this is the audio I want to use, so just click it and use the add. So this has been added. You can add number of sounds, that depends on you. And if I'll click on it, you can see that here I have added this audio, but I want to add in that way that my sound was also available, but there is some light background sound should be available from this music. So for this you have to click on setting, adjust mix level. If it is on high, that means your video sound will not be available, only the YouTube audio sound will be available. But if I, let's say, do in that thing, so now if you will click, and you can see, you will be able to hear this video's original sound as well and the background sound as well. You're watching Smarty Tech Quiz and I am Anjali. Just so you can see that you can not see, you can even hear that the original sound is also available and the background music is also available. So that is how you can adjust the mix level. So adjust them according to yourself. And these are some more actions and slices info remove, you want to remove or not, you can do so. You can add number of audios in this particular video as a background music. So if you want, you are satisfied with the editing effect, now just go and save and save. So just before saving, just you have to take care that after the saving you will not be able to edit anything else until this editing will not get processed. So just came after some time and you will see that your background music will be available with the original effect as per the mix level you have adjusted. So this is how you can add the audios from your YouTube library, and you don't have to think for the copyright or it is not paid it also. So feel free to use them, feel free to use the sound effects too. You can see the when we were adding the sound library, audio library, there was no options coming for the sound effect, but here it is available. You can directly go to your dashboard and here is the audio library option. So if you don't want to add in the already uploaded video, if you want to add in other new videos, you can go directly to the audio library, download the sounds, download the sound effects as per your convenience, and just use it anywhere else. Use it with your editing tools as well. Okay, so this is how you can do that. If you have any comments below, you have any feedback, just comment it below. I will reply you back. So take care, bye bye.